Okay, guys, this is going to be kind of easy for you to do. I'm hoping now we're exercising camera movement. This shouldn't take you long to do. Find a subject or something to shoot. If you have someone in your home to help you work on this assignment, should be fine. You're demonstrating camera movement now. This is one of those essential things when you start looking at movies that you always see, and this is what gives it that cinematic experience as well as the particular shots that you choose. You're going to be going through zooming, tilting, panning, tracking, and then you're going to try to do, you're going to do a subject 360 and a scene 360. The thing that's going to be more difficult for you is that crane shot. So that means you're going to have to find something that you can use as you're being the crane that you use for your camera. All these are, I don't think it'd take you longer than one day to do these shots. You're going to turn it in as one big group. You're going to label it for me, put your name in front of the video. Then at each start of each video demonstrating each technique, you'll label it. So for your 360, it should go on as a title for your 360 shot. You're panning, you're tilting, you're zooming. And you just kind of showing me what you can do with this and getting us started. You've already done examples of these, and if you need to look up your examples, that is fine. And if you need to look up examples on the internet, that's fine. A one-day assignment is what I'm going to kind of allow you for this assignment. And it shouldn't be any problems. Have any problems wondering of creative ideas, check out some of the camera movements here, and they should help you with some of the things. If you have any questions, please email me, and I'll help, and I'll do what I can to help. Other than that, good luck to it. Have fun with the assignment. And remember, only one day.